So the market's making headlines and a big fall that was in fact recovered, but what has the reaction been to that big fall? What about the small investors? What does it mean for them? Does it just simply mean another number?
As the markets hit the 19,000 mark, housewife Rekha Khemka made money literally from her kitchen. The value of her portfolio rose suddenly and on Wednesday fell just as quickly. For small investors like her who don't trade in large volumes, the difference, though significant, is in the numbers. The reason new regulations for participatory or P notes were aimed at curbing the big money being poured into India by foreign institutional investors who are not registered with SEBI. Still, for investors like Rekha, the government's move comes as a bitter pill.
बेसिकली जो पी नोट्स का जो सेबी ने इशू लेके आई है, इससे जो न्यू इन्वेस्टर्स थे, स्मॉल इन्वेस्टर, उनको काफी फर्क पड़ा है. जो लोग सोच रहे थे कि नहीं हमको अभी मार्केट में एंट्री करना चाहिए और एंट्री किए उन्होंने, तो दे विल अल्टीमेटली लूज द मनी. मैं तो हेज थी, लाइक मैंने मेरी निफ्टी वगैरह शॉर्ट किया था, तो आई एम लूजिंग मनी, स्टिल आई एम लूजिंग मनी, बट इतना इम्पैक्ट नहीं पड़ा है मुझ पर.
Rekha is a day trader and understands the ways of the market. But for long-time investors like 65-year-old T. Soumya Julu, the sudden change in fortune has come as a shock. This former railway employee has also seen a dip in his portfolio's worth. By how much, he will not say. The look on his face should perhaps suffice. But he says the government's move was long overdue and should have come earlier.
पहले उनको करना था 2 साल पहले कि जब 10,000 से जो बढ़ना शुरू हुआ.
It's a view that finds echo among Nagpur's regular day traders who once again underline the often repeated words of caution.
I don't see reason कि why कोई भी गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसी से कोई पर्टिकुलर सेक्टर को फायदा हो सकता है, ग्लोबलाइजेशन से कोई पर्टिकुलर सेक्टर को फायदा हो सकता है, हर एक कंपनी को पूरा फायदा नहीं हो सकता और इन द सेम ईयर नहीं हो सकता.
Words that those who want to invest in the markets could do well heeding. With Sanjay Tiwari in Nagpur, Sunetra Chaudhary for NDTV.